deeply woven into the identity of the state itself. The name Tripura is believed to have derived from goddess Tripur Sundari. The temple thus stands not only as a site of devotion, but also as a cultural anchor. The Tripur Sundari temple is managed by a state-appointed committee with the Mata Tripura Sundari Temple Trust guiding its long-term development. So the temple unites Shaktism, Vaishnavism and diverse communities with the Hindus, Muslims and tribal groups all participating in its rituals. So here is the temple complex on your screens now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will offer puja at the temple at this revered shrine of goddess Tripur Sundari. This temple remains a cornerstone of Tripura's cultural and social life.
Namo Shasti Bhavano Dikpati Bhumijakasam Khacharamara Brahmanam Shasana Usaya Kalpado Niho Srilim Namo Punahan Namo Privasati Brahmana Vasade Vishnu Tejase Jagat Savitri Suche Savitri Karmadayini Idamargham Namo Sri Subjaya Namo Namo Java Kusuma Sankasam Kashyapam Mahadhuting Dantaring Sarva Papagna Panahatasmi Divakaram Namo Sri Sujaya Namo Swastina Indra Vidyasrava Swastina Pusha Vishwaveda Swastina Strakho Orishtonemi Swastina Brihaspati Dadatu Namo Swasti Bhavano Dikpati Bhumijakasam Khacharamara Brahmanam Shasana Usaya Kalpado Niho Srilim Namo Punahan Namo Privasati